Meaning of downshifter.
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 Downshifter. A downshifter is a person who chooses to live a simpler and less stressful lifestyle by opting for a lower-paying job or reducing their work hours. They prioritize personal fulfillment and happiness over material possessions and career success. Downshifting can lead to a more fulfilling life, with increased leisure time and less financial stress. It can also have drawbacks, such as reduced income and a potential loss of status or career opportunities. Ultimately, the decision to downshift requires careful consideration of individual values and priorities.